प्रो ड्रग डिजाइन। आज के इस वीडियो में देखेंगे प्रो ड्रग क्या है, उससे रिलेटेड हमें क्या क्या पढ़ना है। सबसे पहले इंट्रोडक्शन एंड प्रोडक्ट के कॉन्सेप्ट देखेंगे। क्लासिफिकेशन ऑफ प्रोडक्ट एंड प्रोडक्ट ऑफ फंक्शनल ग्रुप्स में क्या क्या होते हैं। प्रोडक्ट्स टू इम्प्रूव पेशेंट एक्सेप्टेबिलिटी क्या होती हैं। उसके बाद देखा जाएगा प्रो ड्रग फॉर स्लो एंड प्रोलॉन्ग्ड रिलीज, जिसको बोलते हैं सस्टेन्ड ड्रग एक्शन क्या होते हैं, वो भी पढ़ेंगे इस वीडियो में। इसके बाद इसमें देखेंगे इन्हांसमेंट ऑफ सोलिबिलिटी क्या होती है। एंड देन नेक्स्ट देखेंगे प्रो ड्रग टू इम्प्रूव एब्जॉर्प्शन एंड साइट स्पेसिफिक ड्रग डिलीवरी रेशनल्स ऑफ प्रो ड्रग डिजाइन भी देखा जाएगा क्या होते हैं। प्रैक्टिकल्स कंसिडरेशन एंड कैलकुलेशन सारा का सारा इस वीडियो में देखेंगे। सबसे पहले बात कर लेते हैं इंट्रोडक्शन। इंट्रोडक्शन में यहाँ पे हम देख रहे हैं कि अप्रोप्रिएशिएट जो होता है फिजिकल केमिकल एंड बायोलॉजिकल, दैट इज अ प्रो ड्रग। यहाँ पे जो डायग्राम बनाया गया है इसके माध्यम से देख सकते हैं। सबसे पहले हम बात करते हैं फर्स्ट में, तो ऑलमोस्ट ऑल ड्रग पॉसेस सम अनडिजायरेबल फिजियोकेमिकल एंड बायोलॉजिकल प्रॉपर्टीज आर शो करते हैं। क्या होते हैं? अनडिजायरेबल फिजियोकेमिकल एंड बायोलॉजिकल प्रॉपर्टी भी शो होते हैं ऑलमोस्ट। इसमें जब ड्रग कैंडिडेट्स, जो ड्रग कैंडिडेट्स आर ऑफन डिसकंटिन्यूस्ड ड्यू टू इश्यूज ऑफ पुअर फार्माकोकाइनेटिक्स प्रॉपर्टीज और हाई टॉक्सिसिटी, their therapeutics effect can improve by eliminating the undesirable properties while remaining the desirable ones, and this can be achieved through biological, physical or chemical means. And the next definition, the term product introduced in 1958 by Adrian Albert related to biologically inert derivatives of drug molecules that undergo an enzymatic and or chemical conversion in vivo to release the pharmacologically action parent drug. And second things is a prodrug is a chemically modified inert drug precursor which upon biotransformation liberates and pharmacologically active parents compounds. Prodrug concept. The awareness, the onset, intensity of duration of drug action are greatly affected by the physiochemical properties of drug has promoted the emergence of various products. Most of the limitation can be overcome by prodrug approach, but after overcoming the various barriers, the prodrug should rapidly convert into active moiety after reaching the target site. The design of efficient, stable, safe, acceptable, and aesthetic way to target a drug to its site of action while overcoming various physical, chemical, and social barriers is certainly the utilization of the prodrug approach hold great potential. 5 prodrug and thickens. This is a extracellular fluids. There is a barrier, so is the drug molecules is diverted either drug molecules promoting drug molecules promoting enzyme and chemical biotransformation drug molecules plus promote. there is so structure and the next classification of prodrug. The prodrugs are three category classified. Firstly, carrier length prodrugs. Second, bioprecursor products, and third, polymer products. Carrier length products divided by three times. Firstly, bipartite products, and second, tripartite products, multi-parties products, and then carrier link products. There is so carrier links products and second carrier links products which flow chart active drugs plus inert carrier. This is equal to drug and inert carrier. Chemical products formation in the presence of chemical enzyme cleavage in vivo. Bipartite products. It is composed of one carrier that is a group attached to the drugs. There is such products have greatly modified lipophilicity due to the attached carrier. The active drug is released by the hydrolytic cleavage either chemically or enzymatically. And then tripartite products, there is the carrier group is attached by link spacer to drugs. This is a drug link structures and carrier. So in parent drugs, in other drugs, biological action and excretion. There is a mutual products in formation of parents drugs in other drugs as carrier and carrier linkage. Mutual products of chlorzoxazone and acetaminophen. There is a structure and bioprecursor. The bioprecursors does not contain a temporary link between the active drugs and carrier moiety but designed from a molecular modification of an active principle itself. That is a phenylbutazone, and phenylbutazone gets metabolized to oxyphenobutazone that is responsible for the anti-inflammatory activity of the parent drug. Polymeric drugs, also known as micromolecular products, the drugs is dispersed or incorporated into the polymer, both naturally occurring and synthetically prepared systems without formation of covalent bond between drugs and polymer. That is a paraphenylene diamine, and then product to improve patient acceptability. One of the reasons for poor patient complaints, particularly in case of children, is bitterness, acidity, or causticity of the drug. Two approach can be utilized to overcome what weight tests of drugs. The first is reduction of drug solubility in saliva, and the other is lower the affinity of the drug toward testes receptor. Chloramphenicol has a beta testes, so it is not well accepted by children. The palmitate ester of it is a less soluble in saliva, so it masks the beta test. And then several drugs, NSAIDs, nicotinic acid, and kanamycin diethyl estabustrol, that is a different drug, and prodrug for slow and prolonged release sustains drug action. There is a common strategy in the design of slow released prodrug is to make long chain aliphatic ester because this ester hydrolysis slowly and the inject them intramuscular. Enhancement of solubility. The prodrug's approach can be used to increase or decrease the solubility of a drug depending on its ultimate uses. For example, the solubility of betamethasone in water is 58 microgram per ml at 25 degrees Celsius. The solubility of its disodium phosphate ester, a charged ester per moiety, is more than 100 milligram per ml and increases in water solubility greater than holds, that is a 15,000. Acetylate sulfonamides moiety enhance the eco-solubility of the poorly water-soluble sodium salt of the COX-2 inhibitor pericoxib 300 fold. And then prodrug to improve absorption. The ampicillin, a wide-spectrum antibiotic, is readily absorbed orally as the inactive prodrugs vivampicillin, vacampicillin, and telampicillin, which are then converted by enzymatic hydrolysis to ampicillin. There is so structure and side specific drug delivery. There is a so in the slide, and then next side specific drug delivery in chemotherapy. So directed enzyme products therapy DEPT. The many chemotherapy drugs for the cancer like a tumor specificity and the dose required to reach therapeutics levels in the tumor are often toxic to other tissues. And type of directed enzyme products therapy, that is the first type is antibody directed enzyme products therapy, and second gene directed enzyme products therapy, and the third viral directed enzyme products therapy, and polymers directed enzyme products therapy, and then clostridias directed enzyme products therapy. And then rationale of products design. Rationale product design. This is a prodrugs having improved water solubility. Second things, prodrug as a substrate. Third is products with the improved lipophilicity. And fourth is chemotherapeutics products for improved target ability and affinity. Fifth is effect of products on pre-systemic metabolism and excretion. Six is the role of products for CNS delivery and prodrug having improved water solubility. There is a discuss about products having improved water solubility. The poor eco solubility is the major problem as these active agent possess potential therapeutics activity, and then products approach helps the overcome the problems of equisolubility by improving dissolution rate. And the next dissolution rate is increased by addition of esters and amine of amino acid and phospholic acid. Phosphate esters are widely used to increase the equisolubility of orally and parenterally administered drugs. The amino acid ester and amide products are also used to improve the aqueous solubility of active parent drug. That is a belocyclovir and valganciclovir, which are benign ester of the antiviral drug aciclovir and genciclovir. There is so uses structures and advantage and pro drug as substrate. Discuss about pro drug substrate. So what is a substrate? First thing is the drug has bypass various pharmacokinetics and pharmaceutical barrier after administration to overcome this problem. Nowadays, site selected drug delivery approach is used, that is a pro-drug design approach. The pro-drugs attach the substrates for various endogenous biological and transport. That is a pro-drug with improved lipophilicity. The biological membranes consist of phospholipids. Therefore, lipophilicity is required to transport through biological membrane. And then second thing is the lipophilicity of polar and ionized drug can be improved by converting them into ester. And the next, chemotherapeutics prodrug for improved target ability and affinity, and discuss before starting the chapter and effect of prodrug on pre-systemic metabolism and extraction, and then next the role of prodrug for CNS delivery, and then practical consideration of products with ester, and the next products with amide, and the next product with phosphates, and the next product with carbamate. Product with ester and product with amide and product with phosphate, and the next structure product with carbamate. And there is main calculation